Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove app from app library. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, choose on any apps. Okay, then choose my Robbie app. Then tap and press okay this option, edit home screen, then share app, then require face id. Okay, then remove app, just click, then remove from home screen. Okay, then delete app, then delete my Robbie app. Deleting this app will also delete its data. Okay, then delete, then remove app from app library. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.